Most people who are selling services on Fiverr look at Fiverr as a way to make money. Okay, but there are very few people who are using Fiverr for lead generation purposes. You may have heard of the phrase, the money's in the list. So basically, if you build a list of customers, you'll be able to market to them time and time again, repeatedly, and also build a relationship with them in the process. So one way you can look at Fiverr is like a tripwire. You basically sell a small service or product for $5, $6, or $7, and then you could always offer bigger services or even higher priced products later on. But get them to opt in to your list after they buy your product. Offer them a bonus. It could be anything such as a free report, or you could just direct them to a page where they could fill in their email address so that they could be notified of any new services by you in the future.